Hello friends, I'm Rita. This is Saifan Machinery. Saifan Machinery produces the machines to make nailless plywood box and wooden pallets. We have 4 workshops. Now I'm in the workshop for the machine assembling. This area is for the nailless plywood box machines. You see our technician people is do the final quality check before shipping to our clients. Nowadays, the nailless plywood box is more popular because it is very easy to pack and repack, and it is very beautiful than the nailed box. And to ensure the stable quality, we choose the famous brand to cooperate, like Schneider and the Siemens. This is our warehouse for the components. Now I'll show you our machines for the wood pallet. There are stringer pallet and urea pallets. We have both machines. This machine is for the stringer pallet. It is very flexible for the size change. Here, this side, you see there are 4 big machines. It is a fully automatic nailing line. It could produce the urea pallets and the stringer pallets. Except the nailing machine, we also have the cross-cut saw and the chamfer machine, the notching machines, all the related machines for wooden pallet production. This nailing machine is the hydraulic. It could produce the 2,000 pieces pallets per day. It is very friendly with the wood and less failure. Thank you for your time. Welcome. Someday you can come to Saifan to visit us, know more about us. Thank you.